Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks 227. This is a kind of 3D model. Dimensions in millimeter, material alloy steel, thread dimensions are specified for educational purpose. Okay, now we have three views. One is this is considered top view, and we have see section BB. You will see section B and section A. This is the section A and bottom section BB. So we will start with this outer circular body. You will see in section A the outer circular body, this dimensions you will observe here. Outer diameter 375 millimeter. Then this dome, there is a two curved dome, 187.5, 197.5, and that both are distance from here 97.5. Okay, and let's check other view, section BB. Okay, this is section BB. See these distance 330 and this step distance 15, 15, 15 and 5. So, and this inner is equivalent to this, you will see, observe in drawing. So let's do this first. Let's make front plane sketch. Now let me activate here center line and draw one center line. Now activate line tool. Exit. Now let me select here 3-point arc and connect this to this. Similarly, okay, here also we need one step. Vertical line, exit. Now let me draw 3-point arc and connect with this. Exit. Okay. Now we need to make tangent. So here let's draw one horizontal line. Now select this line and this curve and make relation tangent. This is important relation, so that our body look perfect shape. Tangent. Okay, fine. Okay, let's that's going to be disastrous. Okay, let's define the smart dimension. Select this outer one and this center one. Move cursor outside and you will see diameter 375. Similarly, I am going to select this inner one. This diameter 330. That's fine. Width 15 and this width 5. Okay. Now according to our drawing, this one and this point in same line. Okay. Now let's define the radius. The upper one 197.5. The bottom one 187.5. Okay. Now select both the center point. Go inside. Look, our drawing going to take shape. Smart dimension. Now this center point from this point, it's given 97.5. Okay. Look, our drawing seems fully defined. See, we don't need to define anything else. Activate revolve boss base. Now this is open profile. That's why it's asked, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now here we have to choose axis of revolution. So I'm going to select this vertical line, and you will see it's going to create by default going to create a 360 body, 360 degree a body. Keep end condition blind. Direction anything you can change, no matter. 360. Okay. See. Now let's check at top. There is a 90 diacircular body, and distance you will observe this one. How we will calculate? We will check from here. This view. 115 millimeter from this step, not from bottom. Okay. So we will make this. Then select this inside face, activate plane. Here choose plane distance 115. See here, see this is moving downside, flip. Okay. Now select the plane, sketch, activate circle, and again, okay, that's the, it seems stop. $90, enter. Right click, choose select and exit. Extrude. Now here choose up to next. Next means this circular body. Due to this direction. Okay. Click and hide this plane. Now let's make this one. You will see this oblong. R25, center distance 37, distance from center 80 millimeter. You will see here in this section view 105 millimeter. Then 95 millimeter. This circular body, diameter 90 millimeter, angle 120 you will observe, and distance you will see this section BB. Now see section from center to here, center 100 millimeter. Okay. So again I am going to create a plane. Now let me again select the internal one. 105. Flip. Okay. Now select the plane 2, sketch, and I am going to select here straight slot. Smart dimension 37.5. Now distance from here to here 80. 25 this outer radius. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. So simply select extruded boss base and just rotate. And make sure up to next end condition. See, next means this face. Even you can choose here up to surface, but that's it. Hide. Again, let me create one more plane. Select this face. Now this time 95. Okay. Now edit this plane. Flip offset. Now choose plane 3, sketch, change circular pattern, circle, and draw one circle here, same 90 degree, a 90 millimeter, exit. Now we need to define angle. It is vertical. Now here first let me define angle 120 degree and this length 100 millimeter. Look, extruded boss base. This is also, now look, this is going to create up to 8 millimeter plus 12 plus 35, total 55 millimeter. And this is also going to be changed. We did wrong. This one extrude up to 70 millimeter. See here. Now not up to next. Here choose 55. Okay. See. Hide. Now select this one. Edit. Blind. Make depth 70. Okay. That's it. Now let's make this rib. This rib width 30. Now you will see the rib dimension 20, this corner radius plus 75. It's going to be 95. So plane from here to here, plane is same. Now distance from 137 plus 20 is 157.5. Corner radius, this one, 20 millimeter. And you will see there is a M12 into 75, depth 30 and the thread depth 24. And this position location you will see from here 100 millimeter. Then here also at center where I am going to observe this. Okay, let's do this. Now let me activate same plane I am going to use 95. Sketch, take, convert entity, activate line here. Exit. Now let me draw one center line for reference purpose. Now select these all three lines and here select symmetric. Trim entity, trim this line, just power trim and drag with the help of mouse. Okay. 30. Now distance from here to this edge 137.5 plus 20. That's it. Extrude. Now here I am going to choose up to surface and I am going to select this surface. Select this corner, fillet and make this one 20. Constant fillet type, choose constant size fillet, tangent propagation and full preview. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me change this color. Clear. Full body. And let's define this color. Okay, so it looks more visible. Now let's make this corner. We have two holes, threaded holes. Look, 100 millimeter from here to here, M12 into 1.75 and depth here 30. And this one is see thread depth only 24. Now this center M16 into 2. Let's do this. Hole wizard. Now go to straight tab metric. Now here I want to choose tabbed bottoming hole because we are not going to make throughout hole. Now the first option I am going to select here M12 into 1.75. M12 into 1.75. not throughout hole, keep blind. Now the depth of the hole 30 millimeter up to shoulder, and this is the thread depth 24 millimeter. Thread width call out, uncheck other, position. Now select this face. Now just place somewhere here, press escape key to out, activate dimension and define the center distance 100 millimeter. Okay. Now it is still not defined, so select the center point, shift key, the hole vertical. Say OK. Now let me option, documents property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. OK. Now it looks right plane, section view. OK. Now look how the hole is going to create. Now again hole wizard. Everything is tabbed. Here I am going to choose tabbed hole because I want to make throughout hole. M16 into 2. Here choose through all. Now I want to show with thread call out. Position, select this face. Now move cursor over edge and find center point. Just place, right click, exit. Even though we can define here up to next. Fine. Look. Now you will see there is one option here, R15, M16 into 2, center distance 18 millimeter, and you will see in section BB, see this is the position for this 82.5 millimeter from this plane, and the length is 20 millimeter. Okay, so let's see how to make this one at curve. So we have to create a plane. Now select this internal plane 82.5, flip offset. Okay. Now choose the plane 4, sketch. Okay. Now here I want to make a, now let's create our geometry. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc. Exit. Now select this center point and this point, horizontal. This is important. Smart dimension. Now this distance 80, 15, and make sure you will see the visibility. Make sure this one should be beyond this. So let's drag up to inside. Okay, let's define any point which is bigger than this. Let's say 60. That's it. See, extrude, and this is going to extrude. Okay, let me select this, blind, and depth only 20. Click and hide. See, that's it. Hole wizard, tabbed hole, standard metric. Now I want to make throughout hole, M16. Next or either throughout, that's fine. Position, select this face and just move cursor over edge and you will find the center point. Just place, right click, exit. Now this is fully defined sketch. Exit. See, now at center there is a cutout. You will see this cutout. You will observe this section BB. See this diameter 70, 12, 12, and this diameter you will observe from here, it's 50. We will make this. Then between these two there is a rib 12 millimeter. See, See, this is patched or solid. That's why there is a rib 12 millimeter. Now let's right plane, sketch, section view. Okay, it looks better. Center line, connect from here to here. Line. Now let's make important relations. Select these two lines and make two relations, collinear and equal. Smart dimension 12 millimeter, and let's define this diameter 50. Similarly, this outer one 70. Now this is open profile, revolve cut. You want to close? Yes. Now look, this center line selected as an axis of revolution. See here, I want to cut 360, complete 360. So here we selected 360 angle. Any direction you can choose. See. Okay. Now the rib between these two, select this face, sketch. Now let me select one center line, connect this center line to this center. Okay. Now let me select parallel. Now select both line. Mirror about this line. Okay. Now let's do one thing, trim this line. Okay, just undo and select these two circles. Select these two circles, convert entity. Now apply trim entity, trim this outer one, this. Okay, smart dimension 12. Okay, still not defined, then half is 6. That's it. Extruded boss base. Now here select this and this. Make reverse and choose up to surface and select this internal surface. Reverse. You will see the preview. See, the rib is created. Now let's make cutout. You will see section BB. Now let's make this cutout 45 degree, 8 millimeter, 12 millimeter. You will observe inside diameter how much this one you will find from here 43.5. okay, then 45 degree, then outside to this outside 65 millimeter. Okay, and these cut out throughout you will observe from here. So we will make this cutout. Then we need to make one more cutout. At this oblong you will see here 20 millimeter, R10 inner one, the counter bore hole 15, see, and depth of counter bore hole 20. So we will do this also. Okay, for creating, first we need to make a plane. Let me open. First reference I am going to choose here right plane. Second reference I am going to choose this center plane. Now in right plane, let's say angle 120 degree. Flip. Now look, the plane is going to create at perfect location. Okay. Now hide those temporary axes. Now select plane, sketch plane 5, sketch. Okay, this look little better. Now let's, okay. Now make throughout hole, exit. Now these whole distance from here to center of the body, it's 100. Eight, 12, okay, let's convert this temporary axis, then apply, and you will get diameter. Okay, 43. 65. Okay, let's select this point and this point, and you will see this triad. Select this triad and apply angle 45 degree. Activate here revolve cut feature. Now this is open profile just because this construction line. So system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. You will see the preview. It's going to completely cut 360 degree. See. Now let's hide this. Okay. Now we need to make one cutout here, so I am going to use hole wizard. Now here we have one option, counter bore slot. Select this one. Let's say hexagon board M30, but here I am going to activate show custom size. Now the whole size is 20, radius 10 means diameter 20. The counter bore diameter radius 15 means diameter 25. Now depth of this counter bore hole 20. And dimension scheme, this one. Up to next, okay. Position, select this. Now see, this is in a horizontal mode. Just press tab key and see. Press somewhere here, right click, exit. Smart dimension. Okay. Now distance from here to here 80. Now select this center point and this center point horizontal. Select this line vertical. It seems fully defined sketch. Okay. Okay, let's see section view, right section view. Okay. Now look what we created. This is what we need. Now you will observe here there is a 130 diameter circular body, 5 millimeters from here to here. Now location you will find from this section view. See, 8 plus 12, 20 millimeter from here, or from this edge 35 millimeter. Okay, so we will make this 5 millimeter body, then we will make this one, this body. You will see radius corner, this radius 25, then the corner fillet 6.5, and this is counter bore hole. Now there is a 6 number of 15.5 counter bore hole 28 depth 2. Now let's select this face, sketch, center line, and I'm going to create one plane up to this and then extend up to this edge. For plane reference, I want to create a plane on, that's why I'm going to took this. This is collinear each other, exit. Now apply plane. Select this line and select this end point. You will see it perpendicular plane going to create on this line. Exit. Now select the plane. This is plane number 6. Sketch, circle. Now diameter 30. Exit. Now select smart dimension and distance from here to select the press shift key and select the top view, and you will see distance from outside 35. Just select the center point because I want to apply like, okay, let's create one center line. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Extrude. Now we need to extrude this in two direction. This direction 5, but back side also we need to extrude. Direction 2. Next, or let's say up to surface, select this surface. Now you will see the exact shape. See here, hide. Now here we have a hole wizard. Reset custom sizing. Now this is throughout hole, so I'm going to use tabbed hole, and this is going to be like the hole size is M14 into 2. M14 into 2. Uncheck custom sizing up to next. Position. Now select this face and place at center. Just keep cursor over edge and you will see the midpoint. Okay, just check the preview. Okay, this is going to be create like up to internal wall. Oh, that's it. Now let's hide this sketch. Select this face, sketch, activate circle, and find the exact center point. 25 radius, 25 into 2. If you want to see radius, just select display as radius. Okay, this select this point and origin point, make relation horizontal. Extrude and extrude 15 millimeter. Reverse. Fine. Fillet. Constant type, edge 6.5, and let me select this edge. Okay. Counter bore hole. Now I am going to select this counter bore hole, simple counter bore hole. Now counter bore diameter 15.5. Now the length I am going to choose next, so we can't change this one. Okay. Now counter bore diameter, that is 28. Now another one, it's depth of counter bore 2 millimeter. Position, select this. Now keep cursor over edge and you will see the center point. Just place here, exit. Now it seems fully defined. Now let's activate circular pattern. First direction, so I'm going to choose this circular edge. equal spacing 360 and 6 number of instances. Now what feature? So I'm going to select this, radius, and select this. Now look, these three features selected. Now just see the preview. There are 6 number of patterns. Oh, that's it. Oh, we done. Now let me check. Okay, we mistake 43.5 this one. And alloy steel we are see this diameter 43.5. Enter. Fine. And material you can apply from here. Alloy steel, let's say edit material, alloy steel, apply, close. Look, the appearance change. I want to drag and drop this appearance to body, color, the previous one. Now select body, select this body and color this red. Okay. We done. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.